What if I told you that a seemingly innocent nursery rhyme could be a cryptic tale from one of history's darkest chapters? Today, we will explore the intriguing history behind the popular nursery rhyme, Ring a Ring o' Roses. On playgrounds worldwide, children hold hands, form a circle, and sing Ring a Ring o' Roses. But is there more to this rhyme than meets the eye? The first known publication was in 1881 in Kate Greenaway's Mother Goose. This rhyme's true beginnings remain shrouded in mystery. Some suggest a deeper, darker origin, lost in the annals of time. A popular yet chilling interpretation links the rhyme to the Great Plague of London in 1665 or earlier pandemics. The symptoms, the despair, and the death. Could this playful tune be a testament to one of history's deadliest pandemics? Let's dissect the lyrics. A pocket full of posies, a reference to the herbs used to mask the stench of death. Ashes, ashes perhaps an allusion to the ashes of the cremated or the collapse of society under the plague's weight. Another haunting interpretation suggested Ring a Roses, a reference to the rosy rash that marked the plague. A pocket full of posies herbs carried to ward off the disease. We all fall down, an eerie nod to the inevitable death. However, not all historians agree. Some argue the rhyme's connection to the plague is purely coincidental, a retrospective interpretation rather than a contemporary account. Whether a mere children's game or a cryptic recount of a tragic past, Ring a Roses remains a fascinating intersection of history and folklore. Its true origin might forever be lost in time, but its impact and intrigue continue to resonate through the ages. Thanks for joining us on our historic journey. Please like, share, and subscribe for more captivating stories from the past.